Hi everybody ជំរាបសួរថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើទឹកគ្រឿងត្រីអណ្ដែងជាមួយអំពិលខ្ចី Today we'll be making Cambodian fish dip with catfish and young tamarind. The ingredients that you will need today, you will need catfish, យើងនឹងត្រូវការត្រីអណ្ដែង and this is smoked catfish នេះត្រីអណ្ដែងឆ្អើរ fish paste, prohoke, lemon, ក្រូចឆ្មារជាមួយក្រូច lemon, អំពិលខ្ចី young tamarind, sugar, ស្ករ fish sauce ទឹកត្រី you need shallots ខ្ទឹមក្រហម garlic ខ្ទឹមស this is a peas eggplant នេះត្រប់ពញង and I say tamarind already, and then this is chili, hai nang mate. Okay, first we're going to grill our fish. Mình bong dương ang tray, dương tray and dai ni, dương pao tray muối các bạn, pao tray pig các bạn nói sao là dương chọn chết. You can use 2 fish or 1 fish, depends on how much you make. I'm going to use only 1 fish today, but I'm just gonna cook 2. And you can use any kind of fish. And the head, I'm going to throw it away. Hi, and then going to broil this. Gonna put this broil on low. Cook it for about 40 minutes, 20 minutes on each side. So it's gonna be low, okay? Okay. Now then, coach my young, you're to bite that to my pocket, or young which Anna. Okay, now I'm just gonna squeeze the lemon juice with the fish paste, with the prohoke. This will help cook the fish paste or kill the bacteria in the prohoke. And yeah, remove the seed. Okay, let's mix it. On medium-high heat in a pan, we're going to roast our eggplant, the PI, whatever eggplant, and then the chili. Là nó dừng linh mà tê dừng tôm to dừng hay nên drop for your nắng linh người tớ ở về chui okay là đó chả đó nè so now this is done so you're just gonna put it to let it sit down so it can cool down you tụi ở the chợ sao đó nè. You wait for the fish to cool down, and then you're going to remove the meat, separate the meat from the bone. Về tray dương the chả dương vô sạch chính á, cầm oi min chả á, vô sạch. Just take the meat. Delicious. I like catfish. A lot of fat. Just continue to remove.Alo nắng nè tray chảo dư nắng tray đạn chảo nó dần bay vô sạch về chính á. So now we're going to, this is the smoked catfish. We're going to remove the meat as well too, and we're gonna put it with the regular catfish. So the smoked catfish give it a nice smoky flavor. When you make the dip sauce, you canប្រើត្រីឆ្អើរជាមួយនេះវាធ្វើឲ្យទឹកគ្រឿងយើងឈ្ងុយហើយឆ្ងាញ់មានរសជាតិឆ្ងាញ់ទៀត Okay ឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំនឹងយកក្របចេញពីអំពិលខ្ចីនេះ So now I'm going to remove the seed from this. So I normally just cut it in half so it's easy to work with. ខ្ញុំចូលកាត់វាពាក់កណ្ដាលហើយ just hold on to it or I just go down like that. I'd be good with a knife and then go right down and basically just remove the seed. You don't want the seed because it's kind of, I have this tangy taste with chọt. You call it with chọt. So just remove that. Okay. And you never had tamarind. It's very the young one is sour. I can tell you with you, when it get ripe, it's sweet. Okay, Laura, nhập một bờ giống. Let's get most all of it. Oops. Okay, now our tamarind is smashed. We're gonna add in all these good stuff here. Đặt đường một tê, ý nó chục nữa nè. Smash them. Hay bụi á nè. Rồi những bụi ngọt hái. Once you smash all that ingredients, you're gonna put it in a bowl. Những đục chính á nè. Đục chanh đã cho tràn mùi máu. Now with the fish, tray đáy hay năng tray chả đáy nó nhận đặt bụng nó. I'm gonna pound the fish as well too. Get that. Okay, so now we have everything all ready. So we're gonna mix all the mixture. Alo nó nhận một hai dân nâng ly bỏ muối kia nè. We're gonna start with the prohoke sauce. Okay, dân chọc đằng pork. Dân đã đảo. This is hot water. Can add a little bit at a time. So this will cook the fish. This is boiling water. Đấy, tức buha. And now we're gonna add in the sugar, ska, and then fish sauce, the tray. Give it a good stir so the sugar dissolve. You go a scarly, you know. Okay, now we are going to add in our mixture. Let's start with the tamarind. I'm just going to use half of this. Okay, half of that. You kind of eyeball it out. So it's about, you know, so this is equal to this. Yung smile I smile clear na. Or try hay nang pal yun I smile clear. So about the same. Okay. Because if you put too much, it might be too sour. Mà dân đậm pơ chẳng bếch lại với chú á. Dân smile nó đói smile clear. Okay. I'm just gonna mix it. Fold everything together. Okay, I'm ready to chow down. Hello, any vegetable, right here you go. My condiments. One of my favorite is tapsroy. Yummy. Delicious. I love these green green mustard spicy hana. Delicious. Bon appetit. Okay, guys. That's it for our video today and how to make the green tray and down to moi pork chay. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, press like, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time. Today,